Zoeurva Cooling Ace is marketed as a portable air conditioner that supposedly cools rooms in minutes, reduces electricity costs, and delivers powerful cooling from a compact device. But the real question is it real cooling or just marketing? Now, to be fair, products in the Cooling Ace category are usually real physical devices. The bigger issue is whether they actually perform the way the advertising suggests. What it does well: portable and lightweight. Small cooling devices are easy to move between bedrooms, desks, and workspaces. Uses less electricity than a full AC unit. Compact cooling products naturally use less power. Where the hype falls apart, it is likely not a true air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Many Cooling Ace-style products work more like evaporative coolers or fans rather than compressor-based AC systems. Cooling is usually localized. You may feel cooler near the device without significantly lowering room temperature. Room cooling claims can be unrealistic. Tiny devices generally cannot perform like traditional air conditioners. So, real cooling or just marketing? Short answer: some real cooling, but probably much less than the ad suggests. You may get airflow and a cooling sensation nearby, but expecting full room air conditioning performance is likely unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.